Hey now, welcome back to the channel. No, I did not in fact buy another car. This one doesn't belong to me, thank you very much. It's my uncle's car. We keep some of his stuff out here at the shops, and he asked me to put it online for sale for him. So I thought, what better to go with the for sale ad in the video. So here it is, big Galaxie 500. This was originally, or is, an R-code car. Those of you in the know, means it's a 427. It was. It's been replaced with, I believe, I don't know, I'll have to raise the hood and see in a second. Stick shift car too. Resale red. Was one owner, I believe, according to the sign in the back when they bought it. Bucket seats, center console, floor shifter, all that good stuff. Seats look to be pretty decent. White interior, headliner. Shuts good. Looks like pretty good tires on it. Some aluminum bullet hole wheels. Quick little walk around. I'll put all his contact info down below if you're interested in giving him a shout. Looks like from the sign in the back they're asking $18,000 for it. Looks solid down below. No rust or anything. We'll pop the hood. I'll show you under there. Then we'll take her for a quick little spin. Looks like we got a 302. Pretty basic. Looks like it was stock out of something. Manual brakes. Still got the generator on it. No power steering. The original washer fluid bag over there. Looks pretty clean under here. Let's see what she sounds like. Fired right up, a little cold natured. Got her going. Take her for a spin around the block. Steers really nice, even without the power steering. So yeah, there she is. Nice to get back in a little Galaxie. Been a while since I've drove one. Love these big old Fords. This would be a great one for somebody that had a 427 to put one back in it. Make a high dollar car. So, anyway, contact info's down below. Give him a shout if you're interested. Appreciate y'all watching. Hit that like button. Be sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all be pretty.